So okay, good day parents, good day Irvings. So for this tutorial, I'm going to give you an idea of the different platforms connected with Microsoft that we could utilize to make our online classes better. So aside from Microsoft Teams, meron pa po tayong mga applications and websites na pwede magamit sa pag-submit at pag-collaborate with our classmates, with our peers, and our teachers. Okay, so allow me to give you an idea of these three platforms. Number one, we have the Office.com website. Okay, so sa Office.com website po, it provides us with access to the ever-famous platforms of Microsoft. So we have their Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and we also have Excel. So aside from that, there are other features that we could utilize, and we will see it in the next few moments. No? Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go and log in with your Microsoft account. Type it here. So I have here an account named is default student. So we'll be using this for this particular tutorial. No? So type it here. Then type in your password. There you go. Okay, you may go with stay signed in. Okay, so dito po makikita natin na pong mga nakalagay dito. We have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teamsway. So these applications are made accessible to our students. So a lot of parents have asked me, Sir, need pa po ba bumili ng license para makagamit ng mga platforms na to? So the answer to that is no. Because with this web-based platform, so we only need internet and a browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, we can now have access to this for free. So maliban pa po dito, meron pa tayong ibang platforms na nakalist dito. And I decided to discuss this in the next few tutorials natin. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so let's say you have an assignment or a task given by your teacher and you would like to submit this via Word. So we just have to click the application, say Word. Okay, so here it's just like the typical Microsoft Word. So I guess hindi na tayo masyado mako-confuse with the look of this platform kasi it's just the same lang naman po, no? There are also presets here for other types of documents. Pero for now, let's have new blank document. So let's say si teacher nagpagawa po sa atin ng assignment, let's say sa English 9, and we would like to submit it online to her. Okay, so I have here a preset assignment. Okay, so I just copy-pasted it on the internet. Pero let's say ito yung assignment po natin. And then afterwards, gusto natin siyang i-save. Okay, just click Save As. So the good thing about this one is you do not have to worry about spaces sa ating desktop, storage spaces, simply because this account or this platform gives us cloud-based storage. Meaning to say po na yung mga files natin, nakasave lang siya online at we could access it anytime and anywhere. So just save it online. Save As. Okay, then type the name, let's say homework lang, kumari lang, sample lang po to, homework sample in English. Okay, then click save. Automatically masasave na po siya. Okay, so need pa po ba mag-save siya every time tayong gumagamit? The answer to that is no, kasi every time po na nagta-type tayo, let's say addition, okay, so sample, automatically po makikita sa taas nagsisave siya real time. Okay, so you could just X or close it anytime and the file is already saved. Okay, so when you refresh this one, okay, makikita na po natin homework sample, okay, in English. Okay, so the same thing goes with the other applications. Okay, the good thing about this one is meron po tayong mga up-to-date features po niya. So the latest features of Office could be seen, or could be experienced by our students. Okay, so nandito na po siya. So I have your sample documents here that I made days and possibly a while ago. And you could see it here. You could also upload your files. Okay, so if you made it offline, ginawa nyo po siya sa yung desktop or laptop, pwede nyo po siyang i-upload with this platform. And automatically, it will be saved online and they could open it anytime, anywhere, just as I mentioned kanina. Okay, so paano natin ipapasa itong file na to? So let's say meron pinagawa si teacher sa inyong assignment, okay, under Teams. The student is enrolled in English 9. Just click this one. Okay, just meron ditong assignment. Just view the assignment. Okay, and you would like to attach the file you've made. So, simply put, two-step procedure lang po siya. Number 1 is go to add work. Okay, then find the file you've used. Ayan, so kanina gumawa tayo homework sample in English. Click this one, then attach. Quickly, it will be uploaded and transferred in this platform. Okay, so afterwards, just click turn in. Yon. So ganun lang po siya kadali, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So that's Office.com. Next to that, we also have another platform we call as Outlook.com. So if you are familiar with Yahoo Mail, with Google Mail, same lang po itong Outlook.com. It's just that it's for Microsoft. Okay, other features perhaps, meron din po siyang calendar feature in which nakakapag-schedule tayo ng activities. It will give us prompts if there are classes ongoing. So it could also help your students. No? Same procedure, same account po. Just log it in. Go with next. Okay, and here you will see your inbox in which messages will be sent to you, possibly by your classmates, by your teachers, and with the other accounts that we are using. So this website, Outlook.com, this platform, shall be used, okay, in verifying our account in JOS. So ito po yung pupuntahan nating website if ever na magla-login na tayo sa JOS for the first time. Okay, so dito po natin i-click yung verification link. So that's for Outlook.com. You could send messages, you could send anything, no, any file to your classmates with this. Para lang po siyang Gmail. Okay, last but not the least, we also have OneDrive. Okay, if you are familiar with Google Drive, it's just the same lang po as with OneDrive. So it's a storage application with cloud technology. Pag sinabi pong cloud technology, the files could be accessed, no, in different devices, in different locations, and it will be stored online without worrying about your storage. Log in with your account. And here you could upload your files. Okay, you could synchronize it and add folders and Word documents. Okay, so if the case is meron na po kayo nagawang mga files and you would like it to be kept secure, you may upload it here. Okay, so you could use it for future use and etc. etc. So that's it po, no? These are the basic features that we could utilize aside from MS Teams for our online classes. So I hope you've learned something about this tutorial. Thank you and God bless us all.